Hello guys, it's Yondo. Yes, Yondo. I play games, and today I'm gonna be testing out this rip-up of FIFA. It's called PES 2018, except it's on PPSS PP. And I'm gonna be trying. It's gonna be a series, and I'm gonna be trying to revive Eden Hazard's career. I'm gonna try to revive it. So it's 2018. So obviously it's 2018 squads, and yeah. So playing against Man City. I think you guys already seen what's going on. So it's gonna be Hazard, as I already said. Yeah, let's get into it. So Aguero is the starter up front, and we're gonna have to shut him up, and it's gonna be happening at the Etihad Stadium. Etihad Stadium, actually. But you get what I mean. So let's get into it. Chelsea versus Man City. Come on. Kick off in 3, 2. Oh, sorry. That didn't work. Okay, come on. Try to dribble. Already loses the ball. And the ball is crossed over to me. But I'm looking to get into some space. And I do. Oh, Bruce Walker. Oh my gosh, shit. Oh my gosh. He's knocked it off. What are you doing with your life, Hazard? Is it going to be that hard to revive your career? Turn back. Going in Hazard's direction. Kante. With the ball back to Hazard. It's Hazard. On 3. Jesus Christ. Man said you missed. Jesus Christ. How are you missing that? Even if it's offside. How are you missing that still? He's got pliers for legs. Jesus Christ. Oh. De Bruyne. Back to Mendy. Benjamin Mendy. We don't talk about him, guys. Benjamin Mendy. Over to Walker. Walker trying to burst. Oh, you can't go past my man like that. My man's on steroids. No, Ben, why is you head in the way? Could have been free. Jesus Christ. Something with the ball. Oh, trying to switch it to me, but that was such a shit pass. Silva. Oh, yeah, to Gundogan. Gundogan to Aguero. Aguero to De Bruyne. De Bruyne trying to cross the ball in. Defended! Held by Courtois. And the ball is launched into the air. Yes. Now Hazard has the ball. He's charging down energetically down the wing. Oh, he's got himself into good space. Oh, and he misses. And he flipping misses, man. Penalty! Penalty, come on! I need to take this, guys. I need to take this. If I don't take this, then Jesus Christ. Why are you giving it to him? I won it! He smashes it top bins. What is that penalty? Why does his eyes look like marbles? Like they're gonna fall out any moment. Kick off. Continue. Ball is played to Yaya Toure. Yaya Toure to Silva. Silva back to Yaya Toure. What is he doing with his life? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ball? Come on, win that ball. The ball is played over the top. Can't even head out a ball. Simply. The ball is held by Kojo Bravo. Thrown out to Kyle Walker. Kyle Walker out to Silva. It's held by Kante. Oh my gosh, they go across the set me free out through a goal again. I need to score this surely. And he misses. Of course he misses. McDonald's way. And now we've got a chance. Aguero! Oh, what a save. Good save. Good save, lad. It is half time. It is 1-0 Chelsea. Courtesy of a Cesc Fabregas penalty that was won by who's true. Kick off. Half time. Kick off. Here we go. Ball is played to the guy we're going to talk about. He's played it out into Gundogan. Gundogan to Yaya Toure. Yaya Toure is so good at Man City and Barcelona. What tackle! Why could Toure didn't use him that much? Oh, pass out. Oh, and Hazard is straight on goal. Hazard, come on, you need to score this. You need to score this. Oh my gosh, he misses. He misses. Oh my gosh. What a chance, by the way. What a chance, guys. Oh, Fernandinho. Why are you taking up the ball? Why are you taking up the ball? He took him. So the ball is played out to Mangala. Mangala to Kyle Walker. This guy's been an absolute beast for the game. Too bad he's been losing. Oh, broski, take that. What a pass! What a pass, guys! Hazard trying to burst into space. This is why you need to score, guy. This is me from the future. If you don't score in this game, you move to Real Madrid and your career ends. Like, you just become stupid. You become useless player. You need to score in this game, guy. Silva going down. Crosses the ball. He gets on his ball. Still clear. Conte, what a pass! See what space he turns! Oh, takes his man, beats his man. There's a man in the middle, he might not need it. He's gonna go the way, he smashes it, what a goal! Eden Hazard makes it 2-0 for Chelsea. And it's looking safe. What a goal, solid. Kick off, 70th minute, 2-0 Chelsea. Hazard scores, won the other penalty. What a performance this is. Sane charging down the right, crosses the ball in, cleared out again, defense, top notch, best in the league. This is why I support Chelsea, guys. Whoa, Walker! Like, this guy's been asking me to turn in my bed. Oh, him. Yeah, you know, kids, what the update? Okay. Hazard! That's a foul. Why are you flinging your arm? Have some respect for the ref. Good for the ref. Okay, I've got the free kick. We're not going to send it to, okay? Just going to play it into the box. Okay. It's played out. Kante. Get the ball back. I'm trying to shoot. Get tackled. But still, Kante gets the ball back. Zach turns. Sees the man, plays the ball in and he misses again! Oh no! He misses again! This is too much to get in. My man could be walking off for a hat trick. Anyway, Hazard is off. And Moses is in to take the ball. Moses puts the ball in, sent back by company. Fernandinho hits the ball. The ball is run back, sent back. Back to receiver, back to center. Marcus Alonso trying to control something. Oh, it wasn't to Moses. Oh! Save for the goalkeeper. This lead is surely done. It's surely done. She beat the ball and let us celebrate. And it is over. 2-0 to Chelsea on the first match day. As you can see there, Hazard scored. Come on! For this performance, I really think we should be man of the match. Let me check. And we are! With a 7-star rating. Where's Walker? Oh, you couldn't contain me, Walker. Okay. So this game, it's like kind of a rip-off of FIFA, but it has perfect ways to make reason. I think you're right. And it's gonna be a series. I'm gonna try to put Hazard career back in order with this game, of course. Okay, our next game is gonna be against Liverpool, and I'm gonna be playing left midfield. Thanks today, guys. Please like and subscribe.